Hello and welcome back to another YouTube video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to properly display code on an HTML web page. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe because we are very close to 100 subscribers. And yeah, that's it. Let's get started with the video. Okay, so let's say I'm making a web page in which I'm talking about variables. So for that, let's start off with an H1 and I'll close it and I'll just make the title variables. And so let's give it a quick description. So I'll give a paragraph tag. I'll say variables are when you store a value in an object that holds that value. So that's just a simple definition of a variable. But if someone's learning about variables and that's all they know, they won't know what a variable looks like. And this is where we display code. So what we do is we just need to use the code tag. So we do code and we close it, and here's the code tag. So I can just put in an example of a variable. So I can say, let's say an example of a variable in Python is x equals 29. And yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do to define a variable in Python. So yeah, that's it. Now let's try running this. So what we have to do is file, save, and now we have to go to our file explorer. So now that we're in our file explorer, what we have to do is we have to go to our file. So here's mine right here. And you see over here, so we have our H1 and we have our paragraph tag, and here is our code tag. As you see, the font in this and the font size is different from a normal paragraph tag, and it also provides a good break to show an example of your code, and it also helps you differentiate between what is code and what is not. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.